Hello, Neo.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Morpheus.
Hey, what's up? Give me 5.
Do you want to know what the Matrix is about?
Yes, dude.
The red giant shows you what the Matrix is. The blue one is only for getting high.
Your hands look crazy for a second, man.
No?
Give me the red one. Oh.
The Matrix is only an illusion. Only you can help us, cause you're the one.
Yeah! Party! Yep.
Hello, Neo.
Who is this?
I am the operator. We got a problem.
I know, man. Trinity is an alcoholic. She can't control herself. I think I call her Drinkity. Haha.
No, that's not the problem. It's something else. I see 100010 instead of 0010.
What is it?
It is Smith.
No! Okay, guys, the party's over. Huh?
Hello, Mr. Anderson. Now you get your ass kicked.
My name is Neo. The party goes on! Woo! What a fucking dream, man! I have to stop smoking weed.